click to log in or sign up, and then you would need to collect or connect a wallet. It could be MetaMask, you can use Wallet Connect there. And I personally just have MetaMask, and you can find plenty of tutorials online about how to create that. It's really not difficult and it's free. So I will just then log in with my MetaMask so we are inside, and then you can see what you can then do to earn. So I'm now inside JumpTask, and you can see in the top corner there, MetaMask, that's what I'm connected with. And then you can see what I currently have earned of these JMPT JumpTask tokens there inside the platform. And the way you can earn, let's start by going over that. Then I will explain more about this, how to cash out and how to potentially then keep it if you want to, or how to exchange it into other cryptos or to cash if you prefer that. But let's start by going over the earning opportunities. So if you scroll down, you can see the different options you can use to earn. And currently, some of the options are not yet available as of recording this video. Maybe they are by the time you watch it, but they are planning to give you an option to also earn by taking paid surveys and to do app reviews. I'm not sure exactly what that will be. That will be interesting to see for sure. But right now they have the Honeygain and then Offerwalls. Honeygain is a platform or a software. You just install it on your devices. It can both be mobile and computer, and then you earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. So it's a completely passive way to earn. And this is what I have mainly been using to earn. I have just connected my Honeygain, and then whenever I earn on Honeygain, I get it paid directly into this JumpTask platform, which is like the fastest way to get paid from Honeygain, and you also get a bonus for that. So I have a full video where I show that. I'll leave a link in the top corner. So that's my main way of earning, but they also do have offer walls. As you can see right now, it's in beta, but you can see the different offers, and they have different options like that, different where you earn these different ones. Many of the offers are also on many other sites, but they do have quite a lot of options. So if you do like earning these JumpToken, then this can be a way to do that. But that's the current earning methods that you can use inside. But as you can see, they are planning to launch more earning methods. And I do like that they have worked this out with Honeygain, and they made this partnership so you can get the Honeygains out like this, because it does give some benefits and makes it faster to earn on Honeygain. But let's then talk about this. How